Hey YouTube, this is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile, coming to you again with another install. Today I'm actually going to be installing the swing arm covers for the Goldwing from Goldstrike. It actually goes right here on the frame. Looks like it's going to be a fairly easy install, maybe some adhesive. I don't see where it would use any screws or anything like that. So with that being said, I'm actually going to show y'all the install just in case you purchase these. If you want to purchase these or check them out, it'll be linked in the description below. You go ahead and check out the link in the description below to take you to the website that I actually purchased it from, and you'll be able to get your pricing there, check your reviews, whatever. But yeah, for today I'm going to actually show you the install should you ever purchase these, so you know how to install them. So with that being said, let's go ahead on into the install. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and open this package now. So initially I thought it was going to be an adhesive, but it's actually, I got to remove these 3 screws here, which is fine. Let me grab my Allen wrench real quick. Allen screws, I should say. Find the right size. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and remove these screws. I actually like this better, so I don't have to worry about the adhesive coming loose at all. Take these screws out and set them there. This is labeled as left and right, so I know this goes on the left side of the bike. I'm just going to go here. Wrapper's being a little bit stubborn. So you just completely remove this part and discard of it. Well, save it obviously, but put it somewhere else. And this just seats in place of it. To help with the cover. You just reinsert the screws around it. Let's see that. So we're going to put that one almost all the way in, so it can act as a guide. There we go. Now with these, you don't want to over tighten them because you don't want to crack the new covers. So you just snug them down. There we go. Once it's snug, give it a quarter turn. Just want to make sure I don't crack this. There you have it. That's the left side done. Alright, so now I'm on the right side of the bike. Just like the other side. Go ahead and remove these screws. With the wrapping around this, if you're not lucky enough to already have a break in it, best thing to do is just go ahead and puncture it through one of these holes here, and that'll give you the purchase you need to be able to get into the rest of it. There we go. This is labeled R for the right side, so we know that this is where it's going to go. Line up your holes. Go ahead and start your screws. Loosen that up so we can get flex. Now you don't want to tighten it all the way down until you get it seated because of the way these screws are put together. There we go. Once you're able to get the screws flush, like I said, once you tighten them down, give them about a quarter turn. That should be good there. About a quarter turn. Should be good there. You don't want to put a lot of pressure on it because you don't want it to crack the housing because this is just plastic. There's your quarter turn. And the install is complete on this side. So that's pretty much it. Remove the 3 screws. Discard of this. Put the new item up there. Put the screws back in and holds it in place. And you're good to go. Alright, well that concluded the install of the pivot arm covers. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I thought it was going to be adhesive, but actually it turned out to be 3 screws, which is even better. And you get the discard of the factory stock covers. So, like I said in the beginning, if you're interested in actually getting this and possibly installing it on your bike, I'll have it linked in the description below to where it'll take you to the website that I purchased it from. And you can make a decision at that point whether you want to get one or not. And now you have a video showing you how to install it. So I do have another install lined up for next week. It'll be my current final install, which is going to be my tie-down brackets for when I transport the bike. So tune in next week for that video. And until then, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click that bell icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I post in the future. If you liked this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section below if you've got any questions. I usually respond within 24 to 48 hours of when I receive the questions or comments, so feel free to do that. For now, this is Josh, Adventures of Acrophile, signing out. I'll see you next week. Y'all be safe. Peace.